everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you another grocery haul, and this one's from Walmart, and I did do the Walmart grocery pickup today. So as always, if you've not tried the Walmart grocery pickup, there's a link below to save $10 off your first grocery pickup order. So feel free to, like I said, if you haven't tried it out, it's such a time saver. So I'm gonna jump right in. I'm gonna show you what I picked up today, and as I'm going through, I'll try to remember to tell you what I'm using the ingredients for. So let's turn you around and show you what I bought. And if you like the grocery hauls, just kind of click the thumbs up button. Let me know that you like it. If you feel like leaving a comment, just leave a comment down below. Let me know that you know what, if you see something that looks interesting to you. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing I did is I grabbed some pasta, and I needed that for my turkey taco pasta. Super excited to give that a try. I picked up 2 boxes just so I would have a backup in case I needed one later, but I do have that. And then I was looking for some elbow macaroni, but they were out of the elbow macaroni. So they substituted some more penne. It's kind of funny. But the funny thing is about this penne pasta, this one, great value, 6 SmartPoints. The Barilla, 5 SmartPoints. Same whole wheat pasta, whole grain, 5 SmartPoints, whole wheat, 6 SmartPoints. That may be the difference. So let me know in the comments if you know, if you've seen the same thing between the whole grain versus whole wheat. Grab some Act 2, 94% fat-free popcorn. 4 SmartPoints for half the bag, 8 SmartPoints for the full bag. Sometimes popcorn is just nice to have. Skim milk, 3 SmartPoints per cup. Grab some yogurt. I have the key lime that I like, and I'm going to try this caramel apple pie. Both of these are 2 SmartPoints. Grab some extra lean ground beef, and that is 3 SmartPoints per, I think it's 4 ounces uncooked. And I grabbed this for my Big Mac wraps. We've been having conversations about those Big Mac wraps on my channel, and I've had a couple people comment, so now I'm really craving those. So I'm super excited to have the stuff to pick those up and make those. I got my husband some English muffins, and these are 4 SmartPoints each. I needed some wraps and some bread. So I have the Olé Extreme Wellness Tomato Basil wraps, and these are 1 SmartPoint. I also have the Mission Yellow Corn Tortillas, and I was going to make myself some tortilla chips. So these are 3 for 4 SmartPoints. I also got some Aunt Millie's bread, and this is my favorite bread. This is 35 calories for the for the bread. It is 1 SmartPoint for 1 piece, 2 SmartPoints for 2 pieces. That's where I was trying to go with that. Grab some potatoes and 5 SmartPoints for a medium potato. So I just want to be craving a baked potato lately, so I'm kind of excited to have that. Plus, I want to test these out in the air fryer. So I'm hoping that if I just cut these into like little cubes, that they'll be super good. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how those turn out. Also grabbed some of these steamable sweet potatoes. Well, I'm not going to steam mine. I'm going to throw mine in the air fryer. So very excited about trying those out too. I haven't tried those before in the air fryer, so I'm really hoping they'll turn out well. I have some pork tenderloin. This is 2 SmartPoints per 4 ounces. So I love these, and these cook up so well in my air fryer. I'm telling you, I use that air fryer at least 3 to 4 days a week. It's kind of insane, but I really like that appliance. Classic Catalina fat-free dressing, 2 SmartPoints for 2 tablespoons, and I got that for that turkey taco pasta. Now, I needed some wing sauce, and I normally get either the Baby Ray's, I think it's the Baby Ray's, or this Frank's Red Hot. Well, when I was looking online to get it, I also noticed this medium wing sauce, and I thought I would just kind of check it out and just see how it is. Well, the Frank's Red Hot sauce, 0 SmartPoints. The Great Value medium wing sauce, 1 SmartPoint. Kind of funny, right? So that is that. So at least I have those 2. I will give that a try and see how that is. I'm hoping to make some buffalo chicken pasta this week with that. So I'm really excited to have that on hand. All right, so the next section is going to be all 0 SmartPoints. So we have eggs, of course, because, you know, you need eggs. I needed some crushed tomatoes for a recipe, and I'm going to make myself some homemade marinara out of this. So I'm out of my 0-point marinara sauce, so I thought I would just make a small batch. I also needed some fat-free cheddar. I need that for my turkey taco pasta as well as my bean burritos. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I'm going to have my bean burritos too. I needed tomato sauce, black beans, diced tomatoes, dark red kidney beans. I have 4 cans of green beans because I just like to have those as a side dish, especially with my lunches. If my lunches are a little light, I like to take green beans along for that too. I have some whole kernel corn, 2 cans of that. Some mandarin oranges, I'm going to use that in my salads. And some pumpkin, and I'm gonna try out some pumpkin recipes. So I can't remember what specific recipe I wanted out of this, but at least I have it now. I also have bananas, 2 green peppers, 2 small itty bitty Roma tomatoes. So at least I have those. And then, as I drop that, the last couple of items are not for me. Well, the Cheerios are. I also got some Cheerios, but the Cheerios are, ooh, I want to say 3 or 4 SmartPoints. I'll put a note here as to how many there were. I didn't scan that one. I needed some bobby pins. Now, for you girls out there, for you ladies, you either have no bobby pins or you have 100. And it just seems like no matter what, I'm always running out of these. So I just grabbed some extra ones while I was doing my grocery order because, again, you need bobby pins on a day-to-day basis. Now, my granddaughter put in a special request. She wanted some plain Spaghettios. And just in case you were curious, 6 points per cup. And there's 2 cups in the can. So 12, if WW math doesn't come into play, this would be 12 points. I don't know why I was struggling with that. And then she wanted some ramen noodles, and a half of the package is 6 SmartPoints. So yum on that. All right, so I'm going to show you one more thing that I bought. Okay, so I was at Home Goods, and they had their skinny syrups, and I love the Jordan's brand skinny syrups, so super excited. And they had some new flavors, so I figured since fall season's coming, it might be time to start whipping up some nice fall lattes or some iced coffee, so I'm really excited. So over here we have cookie dough, which cookie dough, yum. We have pumpkin cinnamon roll, pumpkin pie spice, and look at this one, caramel fudge waffle cone. So that is going to be my 0-point coffee syrups for the fall and, well, probably fall winter season because that's a lot and I can't go through that much. So, but that's what I have. So this is my grocery haul. I'll run you back down one more time and say thanks for watching. And I hope that you enjoyed today's haul. I hope that you've seen a couple things in here you'd like to try. And with that said, I am going to sign off. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.